below freezing with a slight chance for a snow shower here and there. So that's the latest. Have a great Sunday. Heather, back to you.
All right, thanks, Jim. Two members of the Royal Oak U.S. First Robotics team from Don Darrow High School are joining us in our studio this morning. The team was given 6 weeks, some parts, and a set of rules to build a robot. And today, Trent Sutherland and Ashley Sims are going to show us what kinds of things they can come up with. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You've brought a robot. I understand this is the one from the beginning of the school year, right?
Yep.
What can this one do?
The game from last year. Trent, you can.
The game last year was to pick up a set of PVC tubes that were set together and to put them in a series of holes on a ramp, and whoever got the most in won.
So the robot had to do that?
Yes.
And you had to design it to do that?
Yes, we did.
Can you show us how it works?
Yes, we can. Right now we have a ball in there because we forgot to bring. They were called tubies, but we also have a women's competition, and they changed the rules for that, and we used balls instead of the tubies for the women's competition, and Ashley here was the driver for that.
So the ball works just fine?
Oh, yes.
So you designed it to pick that up all by yourself?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, well, come on back over here, guys, and tell me about some of the awards you've won, because you guys have won some awards, it looks like, back here.
Right, last year, we went to the Detroit Regional at the university, and we won the Chairman's Award. And what the Chairman's Award is, it's how we affect our community and how we're involved with our community. And so, like, we do stuff you guys can see on our board with, like, Lego leagues, and we help the kids build robots out of Legos, and they take them to, like, miniature competitions that are kind of like ours. And we do summer camps with them to, like, teach them about the simple machines and that. We also do where we serve food to the homeless and stuff like that, so we can help our community that way also.
All right, and you were given 6 weeks to put one of these together. I know you have another one that's on its way to a competition right now.
Yes.
What's it like in that 6 weeks when you're trying to come up with the best idea?
It's a lot of long, hard days. You're there from 9 in the morning till 6 or 7 at night, just coming up with ideas, making ideas better, building things, drilling holes, cutting things. It's a lot of fun, but it's also a lot of hard work.
I know, it looks like, I mean, this is just a phenomenal robot that you've put together here. It's pretty impressive you guys were able to do this. Do you hope to do this in your careers when you guys get out of school?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
This is definitely teaching you guys some good skills.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you both for coming in and for showing off your handiwork. It's pretty phenomenal. All right, coming up on Action News Sunday morning, finding that perfect date is never easy. We'll show you one man who's taking his quest for love to the streets. We're back in a moment.
The best recipes are those with lots of flavor, and low-fat, low-calorie meals are no exception. By using simple spices and seasonings, you can add punch to even the most simple dish like scrambled eggs. Today I have the DIY basics for using 3 different spices that will add plenty of punch to scrambled eggs or just about any other dish. Let's get started with a little Mexican flavor from these chipotle peppers. The reason they're so spicy is because chipotle peppers are actually jalapenos that have been smoked and dried. To use them, first steam the peppers and then remove the seeds. I use tongs to keep from touching the pepper because it can burn the skin. For a serving of scrambled eggs, all you need is 1/4 teaspoon. I know that's a small amount, but trust me, you'll taste the Mexican flavor in these eggs. My second choice is Indian curry. This bright yellow spice adds a distinctive, savory flavor to any dish. A little goes a long way, so when you're adding curry to a recipe, I generally start with half the amount recommended in a recipe and adjust for taste. 1/2 teaspoon will